In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unverified phone number in Google Ads. So if your phone number is flagged as unverified in Google Ads, it can prevent your ads from running effectively. So commonly, if you have an issue for that, you can see it on the notifications icon on your Google Ads account on the right corner. And as you can see in here, I don't have yet a issue for that since my account is still new and use it for a sample. Now, to verify your phone number, navigate to the admin section on the left side and then select the preferences. Now, scroll down and you will see here the contact information. So as you can see here, I don't have yet registered number in here. Click on that and then you'll be able to add a number in here. And now in here, you'll just need to complete the form that the Google Ads needs to collect, including your phone number, of course. And then once you're done, just simply save it. And then you can check your notification bar if your issues have gone. And that's it. That's how you fix an unverified phone number in Google Ads. I hope this guide helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.